Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we got a bit of an issue with the 300. I was driving it the other night. Took a buddy of mine for a ride, Dalton. Took Dalton for a ride on the interstate, and car did fine. Come back, shut it off. We hung out for a little bit, and started it up. Went to leave, and my ABS and traction control light came on. So that's a thing. Was driving it yesterday, and I think we have a hub growling. So I took this thing for a little drive, but I'm gonna run in, grab the 300 key, and we'll take it for a little drive, and I'll see if I can show y'all kind of what I'm talking about. This is also going to be interesting because I can barely move my right arm today without it hurting, which is just fantastic. But anyway, I'm gonna go in and grab the 300 key, and we'll take it on a little drive, and I'll see if I can show y'all what I'm talking about. Okay, so I don't know how well the camera's gonna pick it up, but this is like the smoothest road that I know of to do this. Turn the air off. And that was the sway bar link. Yes, I know. But the growl, if you can hear that, kind of sounds like a mud tire. Yeah. So that's not great. And yes, I know I need to get sway bar links. I've been looking for upgraded ones for this car, like a Heim joint style, because when these started rattling, they only had like 2,000 miles on them. But the growl is the concerning part, and the ABS, EPS light over there. So anyway, regardless, I'm gonna turn this thing around, go back to the house, and I know I have the hub that I pulled off of this car because it had a rattle when I first finished it, or when we first started rebuilding it. So we bought a junkyard hub just to see if it would change, and it didn't. So moral of the story is, I still have this hub. I'm pretty sure it's this one over here. And I'm also pretty sure that's why it ate that tire up that we seen in one of the last videos. So like I said, I still have that hub. I do believe. If so, we'll go ahead and throw it in. If not, I'll call around and see if I can find one today, because I had really intended on driving tomorrow. So yeah, that's that. And it's a lot easier for me to drive this car with this whole arm situation than it is the red truck, because the red truck can be, well, the red truck. So anyway, we're gonna take this thing back home, and well, I'll see if I can find that hub, and if so, we'll go ahead and start tearing into this thing. All right, so we just got back. My grandpa's pulling the car in the shop. He's gonna get that taken care of for me, because I got a bunch of stuff I gotta do today. So anyway, I guess I'll catch y'all here in a bit. And we did find the original hub, so we do have it. Throw it back in and see if that fixes our issue. But like I said, I gotta get back to work. I will catch y'all here in a bit. We'll take the car for a drive, and we'll see if it fixes it or not. All right, so it's all back together, and well, y'all can hear that. Much quieter, and it also steers much better, which is great. Now, I will say, if you can hear that, that is the tires. This tire does have a little scoop to it from, I'm gonna say from that being loose, and driving it just a little bit, but that should go away, and we should be fine. So the growling is what I was listening for, and it appears as if it is gone. Now the lights are still present. I figured they would be, because I figure that's a deal if they will have to be cleared. And well, my scanner is at my friend's house, like an hour from here. So that's yeah, that's that. So I'll have to run to her house, see if I can get that from her. But like I said, the car does drive good. Steering is good. So anyway, I'm gonna drive it a little bit and see if these will clear themselves. I doubt they will. But if nothing else, I'll run to her house this weekend or something, grab that scanner, and we will clear these. That shouldn't be a big deal. And I also need to clear my check engine light, because I'm getting kind of tired of looking at it, if we're being completely honest. But regardless, I'm gonna drive this thing a little bit more, and that bearing also might have a bit of a flat spot on it, so we're gonna see if that'll go away too, with a little bit of driving. But I do have to get back to the house and finish doing stuff and all that kind of thing. So anyway, I guess I'll catch y'all when we get back to the house. Alright guys, so it's actually the next day, and well, as you can see, we're not at the house. So I got home at like, I don't know, 12:30 last night. Couldn't really sleep, so woke up this morning. I thought, I give up on trying to sleep. Let's go drive. And well, you know, I figured we'd at least see something while we were out. But anyway, this thing seems to be doing great. It does drive better. It does handle better. The noise is still, I don't know what the noise is that we heard earlier. I kind of almost wonder if it's something with that tire. I don't know. But I don't know. I'm gonna keep driving it, see what it does and everything. But just kind of, I don't know, just kind of hanging out. I used to do this drive a few times in the red truck back when, you know, diesel didn't cost an arm and a leg. And I don't know, I haven't done it in forever. But yeah, I mean, this thing, I will say, it does seem to drive a lot better. So again, the noise might just be that tire. I don't know. I don't really care about these tires. I want to put different wheels on the car. I just got to figure out what wheels I want to do. I have 2 different sets of wheels for this car. I might get another set and sell those. I don't know. But regardless, I'm going to move this thing. And I guess we will probably end out the video here. Alright guys, so it is a few days later. Been driving the 300 some, and I'm very convinced that noise is just this front tire. So I'm gonna drive it and we'll see. I mean, I'm not super concerned about it, but anyway, I've kind of been wanting a new daily anyway, so that's also kind of, you know, not the concern. I've also been wanting to do stuff more with the red truck, so that's also part of my non-concern. So I've been enjoying this thing last few days. It's been pretty good. But I think also the Hyundai, if y'all remember the Hyundai, the OGs, we're gonna take that thing, we're gonna fix it, and I'm gonna sell it. It's been sitting here for a while. Sent my mom a message about it, and she said, well, if you want it, take it, fix it, sell it, or take it to the crusher, do whatever. So that's what we're gonna do. I got a few people getting me prices on motors. We might throw a motor in that thing and get rid of it and take that and fund the new daily fund. So I want to get a new daily and build this car. But what I want to do with this car, I don't exactly know what to expect. So rather than ruining it as a daily, I'm going to get a new daily to replace it with and then ruin it, if that makes sense. So we're kind of doing this backwards this time, because the white truck, well, I ruined it as it was my daily. Same kind of thing here. So if you can see the theme here, we're doing it backwards this time. But like I said, I kind of want to get a new daily anyway. Something fast. Fast truck, maybe a Mustang. I don't know, something we can play with. But that is where my lack of concern comes from, and also the fact that I don't like these wheels. They're not bad, but I want different wheels, so that's also where the lack of concern comes from. Is I have 2 sets of wheels here for this car, and I got to get one set fixed, and the other set I need one replacement wheel, or I might just buy another set of wheels. It's not a big deal. So anyway, we'll figure that out with this. But the thing drives a ton better. It's just the noise. So that's I don't know, that's an interesting one. But regardless, we'll get it figured out. But anyway, speaking of enjoying the 6.0, we're gonna go enjoy the 6.0 some more, take this thing for a drive. So guys, I reckon that's gonna be a wrap for this one. So if y'all enjoyed today's video, or you maybe found it helpful, please drop a like and comment down below. Smash that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope everybody has a great day.